Stay zen with these 10 yoga mat hacks. But first, don't forget to sanitize the mats for a clean use. Get your life in order with this stylish DIY message board. Just cut out a rectangle the size of your frame, attach it to the wall, and you're all set. Seriously, who can finish a puzzle all in one sitting? Roll up your progress to come back to it later. Use the mat to protect your floors from messy spills. Leave those dirty footprints at the door with the DIY shoe mat. Keep your hardwood floors intact by attaching a small piece of the mat to the feet of your furniture. Get a grip. Use a yoga mat to open stubborn jars. Love digging in the dirt? Save your knees with this DIY knee pad. When you've had enough, use a small piece of the mat as a wine stopper. Protect those counters from dripping dishes with a yoga mat. Protect your fingers and get grippy with the stylish coffee sleeve. Cut the mat the size of the sleeve, sew it closed, and insert your mug. Well, that was the best yoga I've ever done. What was your favorite hack? Tell us in the comments below, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe.